scared in the airplane. I was scared.
I know.
But I'm brave.
But you're brave and scared.
But I like airplanes.
Yeah.
Where are you going in?
Oh yeah, you'll have to. Yeah, cool, no problem.
Guys, first one, Grandma.
Just wanted to do it.
Yeah, grandma. Friday night. Hi guys, Hi guys, we are here in Denver. Hi guys, we are here in Denver Airport.
At the big truck.
Here.
At the big truck.
Yan wants to see the truck. This is a truck. It's a really good one.
But there's no train coming on the track. Do you see no
Very
train?
nice. We had a
Mama,
3-hour layover.
Mommy,
Yes.
You see no trains? Just a train.
We just
Let's
ate
go
our
back to
dinner.
Mom.
I had pizza and some fries, and then got his McDonald's. And we are waiting for our next flight to Philadelphia. Up. So no, come here. Daddy's over there. Give me your hand.
No, I need to see.
What are you doing? Fly? Careful, huh? People are walking. Where are you going? Daddy's not there. It's on the other side. Good morning, guys. Hello, akong buhok. We are here at Hertz rental car. We are waiting to get our car. Daddy is inside. Good morning, Yan. Today is Saturday. It's past 6 a.m.
It's nighttime, Mom.
Yeah, it's almost 7 o'clock. So we're here very early. We didn't get much sleep for traveling, and we don't know if we can get to the hotel as well because the check-in is at 3.
I was scared in the airplane. I was scared.
I know.
But I'm brave.
But you're brave and scared.
But I like airplanes.
Yeah, I'll show you around.
Over the other cars are slow down.
There.
And everyone's using their cars to go anywhere
All
they
the
want.
cars. There you go.
Mom,
Cars.
Mommy, excuse me. Do you see that car? It's a fast car. I don't want one of those. It's just speedy.
There's the sign over there. Exit.
Oh, good. Hey, yeah, we're going. We got an SUV.
He remembers. He did remember, love. Say, oh, we're gonna get some Dunkin' Donuts.
David offered grits. You either get home fries or grits.
Ayan, where are we? Hi guys, so we are here in New Jersey. Woohoo! So we are going to see Mama today. Joey is getting some stuff for Mama because we don't have a gift. So we're gonna just give Mama some magazines. She loves magazines, so she loves to read those. So we're gonna get it and then see her, and I hope she will remember us. Do you think Mama will gonna remember us? Yan. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go right now. We're gonna get to the place. I hope I can make a video in there. We'll see. Yan tried to see Grandma, but he's a bit afraid. Are you gonna be good boy? Good boy tomorrow, okay? Because you're gonna celebrate your birthday too.
Not my birthday.